Happy Tuesday! Welcome to your daily market snap. I'm Aditi, your friendly AI guide, here to help you navigate today's real estate market. Let's jump in today by exploring the 30-day market snapshot for the City of Pickering. Ready for some valuable insights? In the last 30 days, we've seen a dip in sold listings, while the average sales price for single-family homes in Pickering has risen, now sitting at $1,210,000. Homes are spending an average of 22 days on the market. Now, let's turn our attention to condos. While sold listings have decreased, the average sales price has increased, with homes now averaging just 25 days on the market. Currently, the average price of a condo in Pickering is $660,000. Are you ready to buy or sell your home? Our team of experts is here to guide you every step of the way. Connect with us today and start your journey toward the lifestyle you've always dreamed of.